It's always a delight to talk about Denmark, and, because we've had this long association with Denmark, when we even built the Christian Book Castle at that time, and from there on, that relationship when we've attained independence for 60 years. So, development assistance and support that you've always been given to Ghana in respect of water sanitation, are all areas that we appreciate and cherish. So we also know of Danish companies that's been here creating employment and technology transfer to our people and all those things. MyScareline, for example, FunMilk, for example, these are all. And I think I can reflect that we have about 68 of your companies here. So 35 of them being partnerships with Ghanaians and all that. So these are all things that we count on and appreciate, because it creates employment, it helps the economy to develop and all that. So unfortunately, Ghana said we're going on Ghana beyond aid, and therefore we've lost most of the assistance that you were giving us. And that means maybe we can still look at it in terms of looking at social interventions in that area, not necessarily because we're Ghana beyond aid. So maybe those are all areas that we still can, as Denmark, to look at. Providing the water that you're talking about, our social interventions, giving us technical support for education and all those in our social interventions that will help society and the beautiful people that we are churning out. So, providing waste management system, agriculture support and everything. These are all social interventions that we can do. So, yes, Ghana beyond aid, but we still will need that support and count on that support in different ways that we So we thank you for this, and we thank Denmark for the continued support that you give to Ghana. In terms of elections and politics, democracy, I know you support us in relation to elections and all support everything. The electoral commission, for example, you supported in various ways. So we would still count on you for the relationship that we've built for the past 60 years to continue to the partnership that we see for.
And also wanted to acquaint you with the situation that we have been in for many, many years, in a very, very good relationship between our two countries. We have been present and had diplomatic relations for now over 60 years. We have had a very, very active development cooperation program for more than 30 years. We have been assisting and developing programs together with your government and with the local authorities in areas such as transportation, water, sanitation, health, and also democracy, human rights, and good governance for many years. Indeed, also programs that have hopefully benefited your people here in the Ashanti region. We are in a new situation now, since Denmark has phased out what we call traditional development assistance since 2020. And also that I thought I should bring to the attention of Your Majesty. This we did in accordance with the developments in Ghana, the developments of the economy at the time, when it became low middle income country, and with your policies of the government to the so-called Ghana beyond aid policies. I personally believe and strongly believe that there are many ways of developing partnerships, and that actually what we're doing now, working on commercial trade relations, strengthening those ties, is in the long run much more sustainable and beneficial, because that develops true partnerships between individuals, between companies, between regions, which we're seeing these days. And a long period of development assistance has given us a platform to be here, and this is what I would like to present to you today, Your Majesty. So thank you very much for receiving us. I'm very, very honored also to introduce my wife, Claudia, and my PA from the embassy. We are very pleased.